Well, we live in an exciting world where products and its design are very important. Well, hey everyone, I am Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have another amazing 21st century career and it is projected to be one of the most in-demand job titles in the coming decade. Today, we'll be discovering details about product designer career. Yeah, product design, all of these. Well, from your perfume bottle to your home furniture, from your iPhone to your laptop to your AirPods, even from a Oreo cookie to Dyson products, everything you see around is actually a product design. Now, product design is a lucrative career path that brings plenty of opportunities for growth and creativity. But what exactly does it take to become a successful product designer? Well, let's dive into the world of product design, exploring the skills necessary to succeed and discuss how you can prepare yourself for this career in this field. And in this video, I will talk about 5 key points. What is product design? What is the future scope and job opportunities in this career? What skills are required to be a product designer? Roles and responsibilities of a product designer? And then complete roadmap on how to build your career in this particular field of product designing. Make sure to watch the video till the end and like and subscribe to my channel. And now let's hit it up for product design. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Well, let's start from the basics first. Well, in most simple words, product design is to create a new product to be sold by a business to its customers. As mentioned earlier, a perfume bottle is a product design. Your iPhone or any other phone too is a product design. And it's everywhere around us. And product designer is an individual who creates and refines products to make sure they provide a great experience to its user. Now, they work in coherence with other teams of engineers, marketers, product managers, business analysts, and other specialists in an effort to develop creative and innovative new feature or upgrade already existing ones. The product designer is a crucial segment of every business, although some may consider them to be luxury and they want to wait until later in the life cycle of the product, while other may hire a product designer even before hiring a product manager. Now, product designers solve real problems for real people by putting themselves in their customers' shoes and understanding their habits, behaviors, frustrations, needs, and goals. To start a career in product design, you need some skills to excel. Well, the truth is that a product designer may be in charge of just designing a product, but at its core, a product designer is essentially a problem solver. Yeah, that's very important. Product design is a process of identifying the market opportunity, clearly defining the problem, developing a proper solution for that problem, and validating the solution with real users. Now, it can be in the form of physical products as well as services also. For example, iPhone, it is designed to be more interactive and seamless for its users. Before iPhone, all smartphones used a stylus, a pointed device to interact with the phone. And it's not very natural, but iPhone solved that problem and created a phone that is operated just using your fingers. So that's what product design is. Okay, now let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for product design. Now let's first understand why it is important. So product design is important to create a unique experience for your customers. A good design can help attract and create loyal ones. It is also crucial in determining the easy utility of a product and making sure it is of the right value. Well, the most important thing about designing a successful outcome is to design it for the customer to want to buy it and use it again and again. Yeah. So product design is also an essential step in the product development process. It makes sure that the final product is customer friendly, presentable, and profitable to manufacturer. Makes sense. So let's discuss future scope and why it is important career field in years to come. Particularly in India, more than 62,000 designers are needed in India for the country's industrial, graphic, communication, packaging, and other businesses. But only handful, 7,000 are certified designers. The product design career in particular is growing at an CAGR of 10.36% for the forecast between 2021 to 2028, according to a report by McKinsey & Company. Some of the potential career paths that you can take up as a product designer are associate product designer, senior product designer, principal product designer, staff designer, CAD technician, event designer, marketing manager, and many more. Companies that offer jobs in these roles are Amazon, Meta, IBM, Apple, Microsoft, Infosys, Google, Accenture, Zoho, TCS, and many more. When we talk about an average salary for a product designer role these days in the job market for an entry level, in India it's about 5 to 10 lakh rupees. Internationally, the average salary for product designer is between $92,000 to about $130,000 and can go up to anything $200,000 for a senior position, which is amazing. And the longer you are in the field, the more you can earn. For different roles, the pay scale varies definitely differently. Now that you know that there is a huge growth in the product designing career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities and an ideal workday in this profession. So, as far as skills are concerned, you need the following few for sure. First is aesthetic skills. A product designer must be creative and should have eye for shape and color. They must understand different materials and production methods involved and must also possess technical, practical, and scientific knowledge to design a product aesthetically. Next comes technical skills. Now, the product designers must have hands-on experience in designing CAD, like computer-aided software, and must be able to deliver 3D models and computer designs to explain creative ideas with detailed information. Now, knowledge of visual design, like UI, UX design, and coding background can also help in becoming a successful product designer. Now, the next one comes the organizing skills. Most of the time, product designing is a career that needs good coordination between teams to execute the process properly. Super important. In addition to that, they need to plan the workload, costs, and budgets. Therefore, a product designer requires to be organized and manage time effectively. Next comes communication skills. Well, you must possess strong communication skills to put your point across effectively to both technical and non-technical people. So you should be a good listener and possess analytical skills to discuss briefs and understanding feedback from clients and colleagues. You should also be able to produce written reports for clear and concise understanding of the ideas. Now, other basic skills can include curiosity, of course, growth mindset, very important, problem solving, attention to detail, creativity, and leadership skills. Well, now let's look at the roles and responsibilities of a product designer. Now, some responsibilities of a product designer include identifying opportunities for new products. Yes. Analyze how a new product ties in the market with the need of the customers and preferences. You also need to set design requirements based on briefs from internal teams and external partners. Sketch drafts on paper or digitally, like using softwares like CAD. Research materials and techniques using 3D modeling software to design products and components. Produce prototypes and test functionality. Improve the design of existing products and gather feedback from product users. All of these are important responsibilities. Now, this role may include responsibilities like creating reports, managing a plan from start to finish, and leading a team as well. The role demands a lot from a person, and you need to have a good roadmap to becoming a product designer. So now let's look at the complete roadmap of how you can become a product designer. Now, if you're interested in product designing, make sure to get some knowledge of the field early through online research or online courses and build your skill set in this area. Now, I have attached some links for you on online courses that you can absolutely pursue. Make sure to develop those skills to be successful in this field. Now, preparation for becoming a product designer can be tracked from grade 12th as well. Students are required to complete 10+2 in physics, chemistry, and math or computer science. Right from school, you can start taking online courses that I've told you to develop a basic understanding of the field. Now, technically, you don't need a degree to pursue this field, but I highly recommend having at least a bachelor's degree to help develop important skills that can help you succeed in this field in the longer run. Now, some of the degrees that I prefer can be Bachelor's in Design in Product Designing, Industrial Design, Bachelor's of Visual Arts, Product Management, or Material Management as well. So all these degrees will help you towards the product designing career. Given that it is one of the most popular fields at this time, a lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be a product designer. Now, some such universities that have world-class programs are Pratt Institute, Parsons, Georgia Tech, Carnegie Mellon University, SCAD, NYU, Pearl Academy, National Institute of Design, Institute of Marangoni, University of Glasgow, and many more. Moving on to postgraduates, beginning into this career, I would advise getting an advanced degree too. Though not necessarily required, it may solidify your knowledge further. You can also start by exploring a couple of months long introductory courses and specialization in online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and all. And I have attached links for you as well. Now, these courses will give you basic advanced knowledge of latest trends and techniques used in the field. This will help you in staying updated. Now, for professionals, if you are in the similar field and want to make a switch, gain some knowledge through smaller internships to understand the field and general responsibilities. It can also be an option to start with basics and dive into freelancing work to test out the field through online platforms like, again, Fiverr. Build a good work portfolio and then make a switch. Now, whether you are a fresh out of your undergrad or a high school student or already have some work experience and you're looking for a career shift, I highly recommend two things. First, take a product design course to introduce you to the field and fill in the knowledge gaps. I have attached links for your reference. Second is to read a book, The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman, which is I consider as a human-centered design Bible. I advise you to read that book completely for sure. Well, product design is an exciting field that offers many opportunities for growth and development, and it's only getting bigger. If you're looking for an interesting career path that will challenge you creatively while keeping you with today's ever-changing technological landscape, then product design may be the right career for you. Now, with strong research skills, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, technical knowledge, and organization ability under your belt, you could soon find yourself designing some amazing products that change lives. So take advantage of this opportunity. I know you won't regret it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you very shortly, very soon with another video on career, college admission, and personal development. Till then, Shirish signing off. Goodbye.